Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4718. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. There's a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good average tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted towbar supplied with all bolts and brackets. Factory towbar also supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, less neck. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has light wobbles. Right guard appears to have no damage, flared type, non-snorkel type. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, black cloth centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player with Bluetooth, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.